So picture this playful idea, if you will, as a tasty alternative grilled sandwich to get out of a grilled cheese sandwich rut and ace your Bachelor of Eating Well for the week. Start with naan bread and store-bought hummus. Not to dip the naan in the hummus, but to spread the hummus over the naan. Mince some red onion. Sprinkle it on top. Add a few black olives, maybe a few more, maybe a few less. Go with what works for you. Grate some cheese. Watch the knuckles. Reveal the reward. Sprinkle on top. Hey guys, just want to let you know that you don't have to remember this all. If you'd like to download and save the recipe, you'll find the link to it in the description below. And we're back. Prepare the pan and then heat it over medium heat. Then it's simply naan to pan, spatula to naan, naan to cutting board. Time to find out if this grilled sandwich is as satisfying as a classic grilled cheese sandwich, which I guess means that I need to make a grilled cheese sandwich, no problem. Bread to pan, cheese on bread, bread on cheese, flip, flip, plate. All right, time for a taste test. Grilled cheese first. Now the naan and hummus grilled cheese. Is it a worthy substitute for a classic grilled cheese sandwich? My 2000 taste buds said yes. What do you think yours will say? Let me know with a like or a comment, and if you share a pic of your version on Instagram, please tag at College Recipe Cafe. I always love to see how you guys make these recipes your own. Thanks for watching, and if you subscribe, then I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy cooking!